Hey friends, if you wish to check internet download and upload speeds, then please watch this video. Now for download speeds, my favorite website is fast.com. Just go to it and it will show the download speed straight away. Okay, this is relatively more accurate and faster than other websites. But if you want to know the upload speed too, then just search for speed test here and then go to this option speed test by Ookla. Okay, and then click on go. Okay, let it go through. And then it will show you the download and upload speed both, but this will need much longer time, so we'll have to wait. And it shows the download speed here and the upload speed here, and this may not be 100% accurate, but it is still good enough in comparison to many other options. This is the traditional site that we have always used, so let us wait for the results. No, the result is wrong, it is not 48 mbps, but still let us check for the upload one. The upload speed at 108 mbps is fairly accurate. Okay, so I'll believe the upload test results, but not the download ones. For download, you can check fast.com. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.